Hello and welcome to this R tutorial. So now let's proceed to the next step of the cleaning process, which is about removing all the numbers from the reviews. So we will just copy this line and paste it below, because you'll see that now doing the next steps of the cleaning process is going to be very easy, because we will always use this same line here to update the corpus. And at each new step, we are going to apply the right transformation that we want to do for the particular step of the cleaning process to the whole corpus thanks to the tmmap function. So basically what we just need to do is replace this content transformer with toLower as input by remove numbers. And that's all. We apply this remove numbers function to the reviews in the corpus through the tmmap function, and that will remove all the numbers of all the 1000 reviews in the corpus. So let's check it out. To check that out, we cannot do it with this first review because this first review doesn't contain any number, so nothing will be removed here. But I had a look at the dataset and there is the review 841 that contains a number. Let's have a look at this review. To do this, we will use the same line as we used to look at the first review. So I'm pressing the up arrow here to take this line of code that gives us access to the reviews, and inputting the index 1 here will input the 841 index. And now let's press enter to have a look at the review. And the review is, for 40 bucks a head, I really expect better food. So that's a negative review, and what should be highlighted in this review is this 40 number here, which we want to see if it's going to be removed once we apply this remove numbers function to the reviews of the corpus, so that all the numbers in the reviews can be removed thanks to the tmmap function. So let's check it out. We will select this line and execute. Done. And now let's have a look at this 841 review. So I'm pressing the up arrow twice to get back to this line of code, giving us the written review. So now the corpus is updated. Let's see if the number 40 disappeared. And it did. 4 bucks a head. I really expect better food. 40 disappeared, and that's exactly what we wanted. So great. Basically all the numbers are now removed from the reviews in the corpus. Next step done, and we are ready to move on to the next step, which will be about removing any kind of punctuation in the reviews. Because of course in our sparse matrix in the end, we don't want to get a column for a comma, or another column for a colon, or another column for a dot, or for a semicolon, or any kind of punctuation. Of course, we only want to create some columns for relevant words that will help the machine learning classification algorithm to see the correlations between the presence of the word and the outcome, whether the review is positive or negative. Alright, so let's do that in the next tutorial, and until then, enjoy machine learning.